Kamintoja daawwattoota chaanalii Akkoo English with Oromic akkam nagaa jirtu fayyuma keessanii baga jiraattan guyyaa hadhaa barumsa afaan spoken jechuun immoo barumsa haasawaa gola keessatti mostly fayyadamnu walitti deemnee jirra. Class kun a little bit took us a lot of bunch of time yeroo baay'ee nu gaafachuu danda'a. However ta'ullee gara xumura Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Akkoo English with Oromic. I'm Akkoo from School of American English. My dear sisters and brothers, how you guys? How you all doing, man? What's up? What's cooking, guys? What's cracking? What's going on, man? You okay? I hope so. Today is a Monday, right? So in this class, as you know, as before we're going to learn Swahili, it is a spoken class. As you know, in the past time, we have been looking or we have been learning about classroom English 1 up to 4, right? So today, in the will of God, we're going to learn is classroom English 5. Please stay with me until the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel as before. Right? Kamintoja daawwattoota chaanalii Akkoo English with Oromic akkam nagaa jirtu fayyuma keessanii baga jiraattan guyyaa hadhaa barumsa afaan spoken jechuun immoo barumsa haasawaa gola keessatti mostly fayyadamnu walitti deemnee jirra. Class kun a little bit took us a lot of bunch of time yeroo baay'ee nu gaafachuu danda'a. However ta'ullee gara xumura jira. Kanaaf class kana ofitti class biraatti walitti deebina. Kuni walumaa galatti Ingiliffaa gola keessatti haasaa classmate yookaan immoo barattoota gola kennaa wajjin goonu barataa jira jechuudha. Gabaabinaa jechuudha. So channel kiyya akkuma duraanii subscribe kana gootan, like kana gootan, share kana gootan isin gaafadha. Hanga xumura sagantaa kiyyaatti na wajjin turan affeera kiyya. Please let's get started without further ado. All right. Now our today's first expression says that who ranked first in your class, guys. Who ranked first in your class. Whenever you want to ask someone who stood first from his class by scoring a high point, okay, if you want to know his rank or the line he stood, you can ask him by saying, hey, who ranked first in your class? You see? Afaan Ingiliffaatiin hiriyaa kee kan gola biraa tokko jechuudha. Kan gola biraa baratu jechuudha. Ati yoo kilaasii A baratte inni yoo B barate gola keessan keessaa eenyu tokkoffaa bahe jettee gaafachuu yoo barbaadde afaan Ingiliffaatiin jechuudha. Akkamitti gaafata? That's the question. Suni gaafadha jechuudha. So you can ask him by saying what? Who ranked first in your class? Who ranked first what? In your class. Instead of ranked, you can use the word stood jechuudha. Rakkoon qaba jechuudha. You can say who stood first in your class. Gola hin keessa eenyu tokkoffaa bahe afaan Ingiliffaatti yeroo gaafattu haala kanaan fayyadamtaa jechuudha. This is the only expression to know who stood first from his class, from her class, right? So you can say who ranked first in your class. Then what is the response? Deebiin isaa maal ta'uu danda'a? First time you can say if you stood first from your class, you're gonna say stood first from my class. But if someone stood first from his class or from your class, you might be say what? Ahmed stood first from my class or Fatima ranked first from my class. Kanaaf deebiin keessan akkaataa wanni hundaa jechuudha. Deebii isaas you can say Ahmed jechuun deta, it's okay. First time example dha. Ahmed ranked first. Ahmed ranked first in my class. Teala kanan deebisa jechuudha. Bakka ranked ganama fayyadamu deta, stood fayyadamu deta jechuudha. You can say what? Ahmed stood first in my class. Ahmed gola keenya keessa tokkoffaa bahe. By scoring what? By scoring 95 something else. Afreja gana fidee haasoo dandeetta jechuudha. Alright. Kuni akkaataa Ingiliffaatti gaafatan tokko. Please keep in mind. The next one is had the bilgen. Had the bilgen jechuun maal jechuudha? What the meaning of had the bilgen? Yeroo baay'ee pireedii jahaffaratti yeroo ittiin shiftii amamin. Shiftii awwaalatti yeroo bahan sa'aatii 6 yookaan immoo sa'a 11 yoo bahan gola keessa teessee hiriyaa kee dawwalamee ring godhamee jira jettee gaafachuu barbaadde jechuudha. Sagaleen dawwalama yookaan immoo sa'aatiin ga'ee jechuu barbaadde afaan Ingiliffaatiin maal jettee gaafatta? You can say had the bell gun. Had the bell gun. Had the bell gun is a question actually. Had the bell gun dawwalamee. Here is the question. Okay? Yoo fi keetiin dhagayin hiriyaa kee maatti gaafata had the bell gan itti gaafata jechuudha. Yoo ta'u wala maatti dubbattaani yes jetten yes the bell yes the bell gun yes the bell has gun sorry yes the bell has gun itti dubbatta jechuudha. Yoo ammoo dawlamin uummattaan no okay no the bell hasn't gun what yet itti dubbachuu ni jechuudha. Or you can say no, it has a chuneta, rakonkabu, yes, no question. Or you can say yes, it has a chuneta, it's okay. Rakinikabu, go on more long form in the you can say yes, the bell has gone. Yes, the bell has gone. You are more on the no, the bell has not gone yet. Yet means what? Is hangama antilechuda. Or we can say so for the next one is get into a queue. Get into a queue. What is the meaning of guys get into a queue? Just instead of the word or this expression, we can use also some other expression. Bakanati one brale feremudina. We can say get into a queue means get in line. That means if some students they just stood or stand in different places, in different situations, in different ways, in different corners to bring up them in one line, you might be say what? Get into a queue. Get into what? A queue. Or you can say by simple English, you can say queue up. What? Queue? You can say queue up or you can say get in line. You can say what? Get in line. Okay, afaan Ingiliffaatiin namoota bakka dhaabatan sallaf yookaan ammoo afaan Oromoon sallafachuun maal jechuudha? Hiriiri. Sorry. Hiriiri jechuun baaddamaa ta'an you can say get in line jechuun as possible. Or you can say, please queue up, or you can say, get into a queue. Get into what? A queue. Salphaa yookaan ammoo hiriiraan dhaabadhaa jechuudha. Namoota bakka dhaabatan, you can say, please get into a queue jechuudha. All right. The next one is, I'm weak in math. I'm weak what? I'm weak in math. Guys, this is something fact, by the way. Just naturally, once you are scientist, you might be not just clever in all subjects. Sometimes, just you are weak in math, physics, chemistry, and bio or civic and something yada yada. Alright guys? So yerosani name to barumsa and the WOT, you can barumsa to that about it. Barumsa Baratkiasa, Barumsa Lamasadi, that about it. Afaan Ingiliffaa ani barumsa kanan that about it, but you're bad hard coming to you say or you can say I'm weak in math. For instance, if you are weak in math, just you can replace instead of math physics. You can say I'm hard. You can say Oromic, that's depending on your ability. Right, guys? So you can say I'm weak in math. If you are weak in math, if you don't have any ability, any experience, any knowledge on math, you can say weak in math. Afaan Ingiliffaatiin ani regan danda'u jechuudha. In short, you can say I'm weak in math. Ani regan dadhaba. You can say I'm weak in Oromic. I'm weak in Amharic. I'm weak in what we call that physics. I'm weak in chemistry in the net. It is okay. What if guys, if you are just weak in all subjects, how do you just explain? You can say I'm weak in all subjects. That's it. You can say I'm weak in all subjects. If you are lady with all subjects. The reverse of this one, if you are clever students, if you have a great ability on all courses or subjects, if you are good at all subjects, you can say, I'm good at math. I'm good at math. I'm good at what? Math. Math you can say any regan chuma da what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is Oromic, Amharic, Physics, Chemistry. The same that akkasuma ta'ee kunillee herreegan cimaa yoo taate sun jaalachuudha. Kun ammoo ciminsa irratti hundaa'aa jechuudha. Dandeettii irratti hundaa'aa jechuudha. So you can say I'm good at math. If you are clever in math, you can say I'm good at math. What if you are just clever with all subjects? You can say I'm good at all subjects. And so this one is I'm weak in math. I'm mathing that abada. I'm good at math. You can say I'm mathing. The next one is our teacher is humorous. Our teacher is what? It is humorous. This is depending on the experience, I mean the appearance of the character or the manner of the teacher actually. You know, some teachers, they are just naturally, they are rigid and they are cruel, or they are funny, they are playful, they are hilarious. So, if your teacher is really funny teacher, playful teacher, or moody teacher, or joker, if you know the way he acted in the class is fun, you can say our teacher is humorous. Means he is a funny guy. That means instead of humorous, you can use what? Funny. Our teacher is funny, which is famous with the by kanambe tan yada. Kanaf you can say our teacher what? Funny, or you can say our teacher is moody, or you can say our teacher is what we call that hilarious, or our teacher is, you can say also playful. You can say joker, is up to you. Okay. So you can say our teacher what? Is humorous. Humorous. Yeah, the way we pronounce also is humorous. Okay, the next one is let's go to the canteen. Let's go to what? The canteen. What gets canteen to machuda? You know, sometimes you want to refresh your mind. You want to refresh, enjoy, fun in your free time, in your spare time. So, if you want to spare or spend your time with your friends by going, by hanging out somewhere, you can say, please, let's go to the canteen. To whom? To someone else. Whenever you make a conversation with your friends, you can say, please, hey, bro, let's go to the canteen. Canteen means it's a place that you refresh your mind. Canteen jechuun iddoo itti bashannantu jechuudha. Iddoo bashannanaa jechuudha. Iddoo itti bohaartii jechuudha. So, bakka bohaartii deemuu barbaadde afaan Ingiliffaatiin hiriyaa keetiin, please, let's go to the canteen jechuudha. Iddoo bashannanaa haa deemnu jechuudha. Iddoo bashannanaa haa deemnu. For instance, as you know, in Ethiopia, there is a famous place nowadays which our Prime Minister, Dr. Abdii Ahmed, made, what we call that, parky. Is that parky? Iddoo bashannanaa? I don't know actually. Parky nama qote dubbattu. Okay, parky yookaan immoo maqaan sun maal nama afaan harkaa wal. Okay, so that place called what? It's a canteen place. Okay, whenever just you get stressed, if just you are in a black mood, just if you don't have just good at something is, if you're confused, if you're boring, just you need what? You should have to refresh your mind to go by going where? By going, it's a kind of canteen. So you can say, let's go to the canteen. Well, my God, the next, the last, but not the least one is, or our today's last expression is say that, let's fix the time. Our today's classroom English, last one is, you can say, let's fix the time. Yeah, this one is, guys, look. Let's say if you want to go somewhere, then you should have to arrange your time before you go to somewhere, right? For instance, if you want to go to just a canteen place, first you should have to what? First you should have to fix your time. Fix your time means arrange your time, that means. At what time just might be just appropriate for us to go to that place. You can say something else. So you can say, let's fix the time means let's arrange our time. Afaan Ingiliffaatiin yeroo keenya haasirreeffannu, yeroo keenya haa qabannu, yoom akka deemnu, yoom akkas akka goonu, sa'aatii keenya arrange haa godhannu jechuu barbaadu. Guyyaa deemnu addaan haa baafannu jechuu barbaadu. Yookaan immoo waa wayii gochuudhaaf, prograama kaa'achuudhaaf sa'aatii haa murteeffannu jechuu barbaadu. Afaan Ingiliffaatiin you will say, let's fix the time. Let's fix what? Let's fix the time jechuu hin dandeechuudha. Please, let's fix time. Mee waan kana akkoo naa goonu assignment haa deenu. Okay, yoom deena? Mee yoom si tola si? Bor atoo bornatti hin tolu. So let's fix time. Kanaafu sa'aatii itti nutti tolu haa mijeeffannu. Sa'aatii nutti tolu haa godhannu jechuudha. Let's fix the time, man. Jechuudha afaan Ingiliffaatiin. This is all what I have for you for today. Thanks for medians for your time and patience. If you have any question, you're welcome. If not, I want to say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for today. Let's see coming with each other. Bye. Love you so much.